firststepreading.com.
Hi, this is Heather from firststepreading.com. For today's video, you will find the sentence under August 28th. Other than that, the date is just used as a learning tool. So now we're going to get started. We're starting with our calendar. This is a calendar. A calendar has the month and the days. Let's go over the months of the year. How many months are in 1 year? These are the months. There are 12 months in a year. Let's say them together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months in a year. Today we're talking about August. August is in the season of summer. There are 4 seasons in the year. Summer is the hottest season. People go swimming in the summer. They have time off of school. That's summer. It's hot. After summer, it starts to cool down in the fall. Another word for fall is autumn. The leaves change colors and they fall off the trees. After fall is our coldest season, which is winter. In many places it snows in the winter and lots of trees have lost their leaves. After the winter, it starts to warm up in the spring. It rains a lot, the flowers start to bloom, the leaves come back on the trees, and then it warms up even more until it's our hottest season, summer. So these are our 4 seasons. And we're talking about August, which is in the summer. So if you have all worksheets I talk about, you can print from firststepreading.com. You can also print your own calendar. So if you have your daily calendar, you can circle August. We're going to figure out what the date is, the number that comes after 27. We're going to do that by counting. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That is our number of today. A 2 and an 8. We have to see what color our 28 needs to be because we're doing an ABB pattern. Red, black, black. So let's figure it out together. Red, black, black, 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 red. We need a red 28 for our calendar. Okay? So you can circle August 28. How do we say that? We don't say today's August 28th. We say today is August 28th. We add that TH. August 28th. That's how we would say the date. Okay? So we're going to do this next, our days of the week. You can take it out now. But first I'm going to go over our sounds for today. We're learning the sh sound. Can you say that? Sh. SH says sh. And we're learning the QU. Quack, 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 like quack. And we're learning the ch sound like ch, 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 choo, choo, right? Ch, 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 choo, choo, ch, ch, ch sound. Sh, qua, ch are the sounds we're going going to go over in today's sentence. Okay? Ch is like chip or choo-choo. Qua is like queen. Sh is like ship. So those are our sounds for today, and this is our calendar. Now we're going to do the days of the week. We're going to sing the 7 days of the week song. If you know it, please sing along. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So there are 7 days in a week. And if today is Friday, what day was it yesterday? You look up here. Today's Friday. What day comes before? The Thursday. If today is Friday, what day would it be tomorrow? Saturday. So you can do it based on my example of if today is Friday, or you can ask your adult what the day is today. So if today is Friday, the day before would be yesterday was Thursday. If today's Friday, tomorrow would be Saturday. That is how you do that one. Okay? Now we're moving on to our weather. So we said our season is summer. You might be watching this video in a different season. And your weather will be different depending on where you live. So I can look out my window and I can see it is a sunny day. You might look out your window and see it's a windy day. If you see the leaves on the branches swaying, that means it's a windy day. If you see rain falling, it's a rainy day. If you see snow falling, it's a snowy day. And if you can't see the sun, then it's a cloudy day. Now, with an adult's permission, you can go outside, if your adult says okay, and you can feel the temperature. If it's hot, that means you can go swimming. If it's pretty hot but not quite swimming weather, it is warm. That's the temperature. If it's freezing cold, it is cold. If it's not freezing but pretty cold, it is called cool. So this describes the temperature, and this describes our day. So today where I live, it's a sunny and hot day. So I have my weather report and I can do my graphing. So I would color in sunny, right? The next square, and color in hot, right? And I can graph my weather. And I could see for the month of August what my weather was mostly like. I just printed a new one, so I won't be able to tell because August is almost over. But we will do this together in September. I will erase it and we'll graph all of September and we'll see if it's mostly sunny, rainy, snowy, cloudy or windy, hot, warm, cold or cool. So you could do this at home too with your weather. That's the weather graphing. So we're done with calendar now and we're going to move on to math. For math, the first thing we're going to do is counting by twos and counting by fives. So if you have your counting by twos and your counting by fives, you can take them out now and you can read the numbers in black. If you don't have those, you can read it now with me. The twos are in green, the fives are in black. Okay, we're going to get started. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Those are counting by twos. Now we're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, now we're going to count by tens all the way to 100. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Amazing skip counting. Please practice that often. You can print your counting by fives, your counting by tens, and your counting by two worksheets. If you put them in a folder like this or a Ziploc, you can do it over and over again with a dry erase marker. You do it, you erase it, and do it the next day because you need to practice these or you will forget them. Okay? So this week we've been talking about subtraction, something getting taken away. So now we're moving on to bigger numbers, all the way to 10. So the first number is how many you started with. So that goes in pile 1 on my, you can print this chart. Oh, my hair is here. Sorry. So pile 1 is the first number. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please use counters. You can use popsicle sticks, mini erasers. You can use the counters that are online that you can print and cut out. You can use paper clips, anything as a counter. So in the first box goes the first number. Okay? So 8 popsicle sticks. Now this says how many I moved to the second box. 6. 1, 2, I need tape to make them stick. You're not going to need tape or anything because yours won't be standing up straight. Yours should stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, sorry, 6, right? Okay, so I had 8 and I moved 6. My answer is how many is left? 1, 2. See? I'm going to do it in black so you can see it better. 2. Now, in my first box, I'm going to start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I need to move these away. I don't need these right now. Okay, I start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 5 go down to my second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I move 5 here. How many are left in my first box is my answer. How many are left? 1. Okay. Now it says I need 9 in my first box. So let me put these back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 in my first box. And it says 8 have to go to the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my answer is how many are left in my first box? 1. Okay? Now it says I need 10 in my first box. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 one fell, so I'll grab that one. 9, and let me grab this one. Okay, 10. So I have 10 in my first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says I need to move 7. So I'm going to move 7 down to the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one fell. 7. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 are left in my first box. Okay? That's how you do it with the subtraction mat. You can also count out your first number. Take the second number away from the first number and put it on a plate. And however amount is left in front of you is your answer. This is doing it with a mat. You can do it with counters and plates, but please use counters. They will really help you with subtraction. Subtraction means how many get taken away. I have 8 slices of pizza. I ate 6. How many slices do I have left? That's what it means. I have 6 bunnies. 5 hop away. How many bunnies are left? Right? It's something leaves. Something gets taken. That is subtraction. So this is subtraction with numbers up to 10. You can print. There's a lot of worksheets to practice. This is our subtraction mat. We also have the ones with pictures. With pictures, you don't really need counters. You can just cross off. You have 2 candies. You ate 1. So you cross 1 from here. You have 1 left. This is addition. Addition means something is coming. Subtraction, something is leaving. I have 1 dinosaur and he joins 3 dinosaurs. How many do I have together? 1, 2, 3, 4. Subtraction, something's leaving. I have 3 dinosaurs and 1 leaves. So I have to cross 1 off. How many's left in my first pile? 2. Subtraction is this. Addition means we get more. There's 1 dinosaur and 4 more come. 3 dinosaurs and 1 leaves is subtraction. Addition is coming, okay? So this is subtraction. You can keep working on those. Subtraction, you have to take from your first pile. Okay, keep working on subtraction with numbers and your counters. That is our math. Today's our last day of our summer school, and next week we will be starting all fresh with everything from the beginning of kindergarten. And so we will not be working on subtraction, we'll be working on something else. So this is the last time you're going to see subtraction. You can print all the worksheets you need at firststepreading.com. So that's it for math today, and now we're going to move on to science. So for science today, we're doing an experiment. Remember, the first thing you do in your experiment is make a hypothesis, which means what do you think's going to happen? What do you think's going to happen? If we have a balloon and a bottle and vinegar and baking soda, what do I think's going to happen? Maybe my balloon will blow up, so I can draw a blown up balloon. You can draw it. You can write it. I think the balloon, ran out of room. The balloon will, and I put my answer. What do I think the balloon will do is my hypothesis. I think my balloon will blow up. And end it with a period. So you can write your hypothesis in a sentence or you can draw a picture. Then you draw or write what actually happened. So when you write your what actually happened, you don't need I think. Just write the balloon and what happened to the balloon. Okay. So I drew the balloon blowing up. Let's see what happens. I've got my bottle. It says fill a bottle halfway with vinegar. Filled it with vinegar. And then it says fill a balloon 3/4 with baking soda. So I took my baking soda and I took this to help me fill it up, a funnel, and I put it in and I poured my baking soda. Now it says stretch the balloon to fit on top of your bottle. Okay, so I'm going to stretch my balloon to fit on top. Then, when I'm ready, I'm going to hold my balloon straight up and see what happens. What is happening? Whoa! Look at that! My bottle blew up my balloon. Isn't that cool? And it's still blowing it up pretty big. So that is a bottle with vinegar and a balloon with baking soda. And look how big it can blow up my balloon. I'm holding with one hand my balloon so it doesn't fall off my bottle. And then all I did was turn over the baking soda inside the balloon. And I'm watching how big. Oh, it's done. It's done blowing it up, I think. Yep. And it blew up my balloon. Isn't that cool? That's the balloon experiment. So then I would write what happened. I was right. My balloon blew up from the experiment. There's some baking soda still in here, but the vinegar blew up my balloon. Isn't that cool? So that's vinegar in a bottle and a balloon. You need an adult to help you. You put your baking soda inside your balloon, your vinegar inside your bottle. Fill it like halfway with the vinegar. When you're ready for your experiment to start, you turn your balloon over while you're holding on to the balloon so it doesn't fly off your bottle and it blows up your balloon. So that is our experiment for today. So you can print your balloon experiment and your experiment paper if you want to try that at home. And write a sentence if you'd like, or draw a picture of your hypothesis and your conclusion, what happened. So that's it for science for today. Now we're moving on to language arts. We are going to start with our vowel song. So let me put this here. We'll start with A. A is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. A is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. E is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. I is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. I is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. O is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. O is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. U is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. U is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Those are our vowels, our vowels, our vowels. Those are our vowels, A-E-I-O-U. We're going to sing our vowel, consonant, vowel song and our vowel, vowel song. Vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel. Our first vowel says its name, our second vowel says nothing. Vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. The first vowel says its name, the second vowel says nothing. So in long vowel words, the first vowel says its name, A, E, I, O, or U. And the second vowel says nothing at all. And the consonants make their normal sounds. In short vowel words, they just make their sounds. So let's get started. So we have a lot of sounds to go over today. We have sh, we have k, we have th, th, th. We have ing, qua, and ch, ch, ch. that we need to know. So I'm going to underline our sight words. She has a sh sound, but it's a sight word, so we should know that. A and the. A and the. Okay. Now I'm going to circle all our other words because those are words we need to sound out. Okay. There are two sentences because I see a period here and a period here. If I see two vowels next to each other, it's a long vowel word. If I see a vowel consonant and a vowel, I know it's also a long vowel word. So I'm going to underline my vowels. One vowel, short vowel word, vowel, vowel. First vowel says its name, second vowel says nothing. Vowel. Okay, Q, U go together. They need to go together, so that does not make that a long vowel. The Q and the U are attached. So that's still a short vowel. Here's our TH sound. Here's our QU sound, but there's only one vowel here. There's two vowels here. Two vowels here because QU go together. This is our CH sound, but only one vowel. CH sound. One vowel next to each other, and then we have our ing sound. We have a lot of irregular sounds. So I'm going to go slowly, and we're going to read these two sentences together. Get my pointer out. Okay. At, pat, ear, hears, a, qua, ack, quack. Pat hears a quack. Next sentence. N, then. She sees the queen. Queens, duck, duck. Ch, it, chit. Ch, at, ting. Chatting. Okay, then she sees the queen's duck chit-chatting. The whole thing again. Pat hears a quack. Then she sees the queen's duck chit-chatting. Pat hears a quack. Then she sees the queen's duck chit-chatting. So this is a really difficult sentence. It goes over sh, in, qua, cha, all in these two sentences. There's a video on sha, qua, tha, in, qua, cha, so you can watch that video, and it goes over how to use those when blending words. So you can watch that video to help. These are all in the last story in book 2. And then the ing and the qua will be reviewed again, but in book 3. Okay, so you can do this story, and it goes over sha, ka, tha, in, qua, cha, and you can watch the video. And you can read this sentence, and don't forget to practice your sight words. Practice, practice, practice. Watch the videos and work on your flashcards every single day. You don't want to forget them. You want to have words that you know when you see a sentence that you just know. But you can't memorize every word. You only want to memorize the words that are most common. They will help you read faster, and they'll help you understand what you're reading better. So if you don't have to stop for a and she and the, and you just have to stop to sound out pat and hears, it will help you read the sentence faster. Okay? So please practice the sentence, your sight words. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube at First Step Reading. Like us on Facebook at First Step Reading, and follow us on Instagram at www.firststepreading.com. Thank you for watching our videos. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or on our channel. Thank you and have a great day.